A mobile device belonging to an employee has triggered security warnings during an audit, specifically noting several unsuccessful authentication attempts and the installation of an untrusted application. What is the most appropriate initial action for a technician to perform? Option A, modify the mobile device security configurations and enterprise policies. Option B, perform a clean installation of the mobile operating system. Option C, run an antivirus or anti-malware inspection on the device. Option D, perform a remote factory reset on the mobile device.
Now, the correct answer here is option D, perform a remote factory reset on the mobile device. The reason is, while the device security configurations and enterprise policies might be modified, that would not necessarily immediately refrain from unsuccessful authentication attempts and the installation of an untrusted application. Performing a clean installation of the mobile operating system would indeed perform a reboot, but removing the untrusted application and modifying settings would not necessarily interfere with the data storage. Running an antivirus or anti-malware inspection on the device is more of a development process and might not necessarily help to the application. Removing the untrusted application and initially performing a remote factory reset would probably be best for the mobile platform in this case. Now, the correct answer here is option D, perform a remote factory reset on the mobile device.
In my view, the correct answer is option C, run an antivirus or anti-malware inspection on the device. When a security incident involving an unverified application and suspicious activity occurs on a mobile device, the first logical step is to determine the scope and nature of the threat. Scanning for malware is the standard troubleshooting procedure to identify if the unverified application is malicious and if it has compromised the device's security.
Updating policies, as suggested in option A, is a preventative measure, not a diagnostic one for an active issue. Reinstalling the operating system or performing a remote wipe, mentioned in options B and D, are more aggressive recovery or containment steps that should only be taken if a threat is confirmed and cannot be removed, or if data sensitivity mandates immediate sanitization.